One of the things that we Africans are very keen on is being able to leave an inheritance for one's children. Proverbs says in chapter 13 verse 22 that a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children, and the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the just. Now, if you intend on leaving an inheritance for your children, or you would like them to live in a peaceful, prosperous nation, you cannot be a partaker in ripping off your nation. You can't be a partaker in obtaining wealth by corrupt means, refusing to take your responsibility for your actions. You can't be responsible for instigating hate speech, tribalism, nepotism, etc. Here is a question. Kwani unafikiri watoto wako wataishi vipi ikiwa wewe utahusika katika kupora mali ya nchi yako? What are they going to inherit? Ama unadhani utaishi hapa duniani milele? Hamna. So, you decide, are you a good man or are you laying up treasure for other people? Why am I asking you this? For no apparent reason.